big dreams definitely come true. To the latest edition of the Sam Jones Show, and today I'm extremely excited to share with you guys a dream come true. Me and my team have actually built my first one. Come in and check it out. All right, guys, that's it. This is my first new construction project. I've actually flipped a ton of houses in my past, but this one is the first one that I put up from the ground up. It was really amazing. Kind of seeing this project come together from just buying a lot and then putting the slab out here. And I mean, now we're pretty much at the end of the project. It's closing day. I ended up getting it on the market and selling it for $209.9, and now this will be the start of a lot more new constructions to come. Stay tuned. Give me a call, shoot me a text if you know of anyone in the area that might be looking to build on their own land, or contact me in order to check out a few plans that I might be putting up in the near future. For now, that's it. Stay tuned. I'll see you guys later. Bye.